Welcome to episode 5. Today, we're taking you inside Tangshan GOWE new material, where precision manufacturing meets true dedication. Inside Factory 3, 11 advanced C-section machines run smoothly day and night to shape high-precision steel. From swagging and punching to solid structural assembly, every single detail is built to meet world-class safety standards. With spacious material yards and an agile transit hub, we keep our supply chain flowing effortlessly for every project. In our slitting workshop, raw steel strips are precisely cut and tailored, setting a strong foundation for production. Step into our pipe fabrication workshop. Automated forming, high-frequency welding, and clean cutting come together to ensure maximum strength. Across this 26,000 square meter Ringlock workshop, smart machinery works hand in hand with experienced craftsmanship. Through our advanced multi-layer hot dip galvanizing process, we coat every piece with reliable, long-lasting protection against corrosion. GOWE, your one-stop solution of scaffold and formwork. GOWE, together go further.